Hi, I'm Citlali, and I'm the union representative for the janitors who service the West LA area.
Great. And tell us who you are, please.
María de, pues me estaría ahorrando bastante tiempo porque yo vivo en la 46 y Vermont y salgo a las 4 de la tarde y pues tengo que estar en mi trabajo, a veces hay mucho tráfico y esto a todos mis compañeros janitors que trabajamos por esas áreas nos beneficiaría.
It would change my life drastically. It would save me a lot of time because I spend a lot of time stuck in traffic. Also, it would greatly impact the lives of the other janitors that service the West LA area because a lot of them get off of work at 2:30, some at 3:30, and unfortunately there's no buses that run at that time. So we all have to walk to Wilshire to take the bus then, and there's a lot of dangers out on the street at that time.
Pues yo les diría que que este proyecto para los janitors es muy bueno y que apoyen a este proyecto para que nos ayuden para así transportarnos a nuestra área de trabajo y que nos ahorremos un poco de tiempo.
To be very supportive of this project because it would greatly impact the lives of the janitors here that service the West LA area. We really need their support. It would save us time, so we really hope they support it.